Let's get going. We are on lesson 7, writing and comparing numbers through hundred thousands. Sweet. Fun stuff here. Lesson 7. So first, let's name what all of our places are. All right. Mr. Ian, what is this place right here that my arrow is pointing at? What place is that? The ones place. Ones. Good. Evan, the second one that my arrow is pointing at, what place is that? Yeah. The tens place. Ian, the third one? Hundreds. $100 bill. The fourth place? I'm in a musical mood today. Fourth place, Evan? Thousands place. Thousands. I'm recording this, right? I hope I am. Okay, I'm recording. Good. Okay, this fifth place right here. Ian, what's that fifth one?
That is the...
So what's this one right here? The tens, right? Yep. So we have the 10,000s place.
I knew what it was.
Yeah. That's why we're reviewing on this. And then Evan, what's this last one here? 100,000s. 100,000s. Beautiful. So I'll give you guys a second to write that part down. It's also in your book on page 25 if you can't read my handwriting. My handwriting is a little messy right there. Okay, I'm going to clear this right here and I'm going to get started with example 1. You can, if you're still writing it down, it's on page 25 for all of the different places. Okay, we have example number 1 now. Example number 1. So use words to name this number. 52370. 52370. Ian, how would I say that number? How would I write it out? What's my first number right here? Yep. 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 52,370. 17. So, would I say 52,370? Or would I say 52,370? Evan? Is it right the way it is right now, or do I need to add an and somewhere? Yep, it is correct right there, 52,370. I just got to remember my comma right here because there's a comma after that, right there. So you say 52,370. Okay? Let's review for you guys, right? All right, so let's try example 2. Example deuce. Now I'm going to set the timer for the rest of class so I make sure I don't keep you guys for the whole. Let's go 20 minutes and I'll pack that. You guys got about 20 minutes to keep working on your homework and everything. I'm having an Ian since I'm giving you guys less time to work on your homework. Sound like playing you too? Okay. Sweet, love it. All right, example 2. Use digits to write 150,234. Evan, would you like to come up and write that on my screen right here? I'll show you right here on in my book, and I'll let you write it on the screen. You get the honor of writing on the screen. So right here, it says, use digits to write 150,234. So you can write that on the screen right there. 230. Bingo. Good job, dude. 150,234. Just as the answer had it written out in the book. Good job, Evan. All right. Let's try example 3. Okay, so I am comparing 23,465. I have a circle right here, which indicates that I'm going to put a greater than, less than, or equal to sign. 23,654. Ian, can you come up and, if you would like to, you don't have to, put a greater than, less than, or equal to sign in that circle right there. Yeah, you need your mask. You need a shield. So I'm shielded from you. Shielded from your germs. Yes, something like that. So use the end of that right there. Put that in just one. There we go. So greater than, less than, or equal to. Nice. Good. So this number statement right there says 23,465 is less than 23,654. Or another way you can look at it is, I'm going to make a little cool drawing here because why not? I'm going to draw my Pac-Man going and eating the larger number. Pac-Man is going to eat 23,654. That's a lot of dots he's going to have to eat. I think he'll be he's going to be a very full and chunky Pac-Man. He is, but he can eat all the dots. Okay, you guys feel that would be a lot of dots. Okay, let's try example number 4. Example 4. Example 4. So we have a word problem here. So 3 of the longest, and we're at the top of page 27, so you guys can follow along when I'm reading. So 3 of the longest underwater tunnels in North America are in New York City. Fun fact. 3 of them. The Brooklyn Battery Tunnel is 9,117 feet. So I'm going to write that piece of information down. So the Brooklyn Battery Tunnel, so I'm going to put BBT. That was 9,117 feet. The Lincoln Tunnel, so I'm going to put LT. LT is 8,216 feet long. 8,216 feet long. 27. Sorry, I might have said 37. And then the Holland tunnel, so HT, we have 8,558 feet long. 8,558 feet long. Okay, so write the names and lengths of these tunnels in order from shortest to longest. So shortest to longest. So first off, which one of those is the shortest just by looking at it, Evan? Which of those 3 numbers is the shortest length? Is that the shortest or the longest? I'm looking for the shortest one. I'll add let me add the commas in there. I forgot about my commas. Bad Mr. Doomer. Which one's the shortest, bud? Yep, L.T is my shortest. Ian, which one is the second shortest. Which one's in the middle? HT, yep. And that means the longest one is BBT. I'm gonna highlight that one in blue. Sounds like a BLT or something. So my longest one is 3, or BBT. My shortest one is LT, so I'm gonna put number 1 because that'll be listed first. And my middle one would be HT. All right. So let's do example 5 and then we'll be all done taking notes and you guys can work on your homework. Okay, example 5. Example 5. Tom was the 4th person in line of 10 people waiting for a movie. How many people were in front of Tom? How many people were behind Tom? Okay, yes, Evan. How would I write it out? First off, how many people are there total, Evan? Yep, 10 people. So I'm gonna draw 10 stick figures right here. Yay, 10 stick figures. 2, making them too big. 3, 4, he has a weird head. 5, have to make some small people too. Make a little baby. Little, even smaller person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do a big dude. Massive head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't have time for hair. They're all bald people. Okay, so Ian. So Tom was the 4th person in line. So which one of those people is Tom? I'm going to put my hand above each person and you're going to tell me which one it is. Give my bottle here. Tell me when to stop on the 4th person. Right there, yep. That guy is the 4th person. This guy right here, this is Tom. Hi, Tom. All right. So how many people are in front of Tom? Ian, how many people are in front of Tom? How many?
3.
3 people are in front of him? Yes. Sorry, I was thinking of behind. Come back. Hello, Hooper. 1, 2, 3. You have pet that dog. You've been to my house. And then how many people are behind Tom, Evan?
6.
6. We have 4 big dudes, and we have 2 little dudes. So we got 6 dudes because they're all bald. Okay, that is it for example 5. So you guys can go ahead and get going on your homework. So lesson 7, page 28, A through H, and then 1 through 19 odd. So go ahead and get to it, guys. It says up on the whiteboard over there, right above Jaden. So 6-5 math, lesson 7, page 28. Page 28, A through H all. What was that?
6-5.
Yeah, 6-5 math, yep.